Welcome to DecisionLender by TCI. In this video, we will showcase AI machine learning in DecisionLender 4. DecisionLender 4 can utilize natural language understanding, NLU, and machine learning, which makes editing rules and document mapping easier than ever. In DecisionLender 4, machine language is expressed in the form of DSL, or domain-specific language. Natural language understanding takes everyday English words from documents and users and translates them into DSL. No more memorizing or rekeying complicated formulas. Without NLU, DecisionLender would not be able to understand the plain English within your documents. DecisionLender 4 is the only loan origination system on the market that utilizes NLU. It is the industry's first AI-powered natural language rules engine, demonstrating TCI's commitment to putting more tools in the hands of its lenders. No new costs, resources, coding, or special configurations required. Natural language understanding is present in three key areas of DecisionLender: rule editing, document mapping, and testing. Number 1. Rule editing. Rule sets in DecisionLender contain the individual rules. To edit these rules traditionally, the user was required to memorize formulas and understand the complex syntax of DSL. Now with natural language understanding, lenders can input their parameters using plain English commands, and the system will automatically generate the DSL. In this example, we have an unpaid charge-off condition. By clicking Generate DSL, the text instantly breaks down into the elements that can be used to create the machine language. The DSL may be edited further, if applicable. This saves the user an incredible amount of time and energy, and requires no special training. Number 2. Document mapping. While editing the mapping of a document in DecisionLender, the lender could have over 200 documents that support lending activities. Before NLU, the user would have had to manually map each of these fields. Now, the system's job is to take data from these documents and insert that data into specific locations. Many fields have automatically been mapped in this example, indicated by green radio buttons. Clicking on the button reveals mapping instructions. Just as with rule editing, the user can enter in the mapping instructions, and the system will perform natural language understanding to translate the text into the machine language. Number 3. Testing. With so much automation, natural language understanding is tested extensively to check for error. DecisionLender has a built-in mechanism that helps validate documents right within the Documents page. This validation checks for typos and other issues instantly. The document can then be previewed so that all final checks can be performed and all configurations can easily be verified. The best aspect of natural language understanding is that it's designed to keep improving with each use. The more you utilize NLU over time, the more accurate it becomes. NLU empowers you to input documents faster and with more efficiency than any other LOS. It requires no special skills, IT resources, or third-party assistance. Take advantage of natural language understanding and DecisionLender 4. Request a demo today.